Now, let us look at the palletized storage. There are two types of storages in a warehouse, or there are two types of functions of storage in a warehouse. One is palletized, in which pallets are used, or different material handling tools that can handle that pallets. And of course, there is non-palletized storage as well, in which the pallets would not be used, and the equipment related to pallets would not be appropriate. In palletized storage, the first one is the block stacking. This is the simplest form of storage, with pallets being placed one on top of another. It is very cheap as there is no need for any racking. So block stacking would be the one pallet over the other. However, the height of the stack is limited by the crushability and stability of the loads. Crushability क्या है? उसको प्रेस करके जो उसके ऊपर लोड मौजूद है उसे प्रेस ना कर दिया जाए, उसे डैमेज ना कर दिया जाए. And the stability of the load is also important. How many stacks, block stacks कितना बना सकते हैं आप, so that it would be stable. So it is limited by the height of the load as well as the stability of the load. Block stacks are normally arranged in rows of fixed depth. For example, 2, 3, 4 or more deep, running 90 degrees to the aisle. So there is the passage aisle and it would be running 90 degrees. Means you will, if you are moving in the aisle, the block stakes would be on either side of your aisle, of your passage, and stacked up. The first pallet is placed on the floor at the back of the row, and the next pallet is placed on the top. To avoid double handling, rows should only contain one stock keeping unit. That is important. On one block stack, one type of SKU should be there, so that you do not have to handle it again and again. So if only that SKU is required, it can be used on last in first out basis. So the stack which is at the highest, the pallet which would be placed at the top would be used first, and it would contain, all of them should contain the same type of SKU. Then there is drive-in and drive-through racking. In order to overcome the problem of crushability, which is the limitation of block stacking, drive-in racking may be used. With this type of racking, metal uprights are positioned on each side of each row in a block stack area. So metal uprights would be there. And horizontal metal flanks extend along these uprights at right angles. Right angles mean at the angle of 90 degrees to the aisles in order to support the pallets, upper pallets. Crushability would be avoided by having metal uprights and the horizontal, which is at the 90 angle of those, and you will be putting your pallets into it. This is an example. This figure actually shows the drive-in or drive-through stacking with metal uprights. So students, we have seen the palletized storage in this session. Thank you.